సమాచార్ టీవీకి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Invited you all here. First of all, I thank sir for welcoming all of us. And then the next main chief guest of this occasion, Devashish Chaudhary garu. He is from IIM President and Nirmal Surya garu, alage Manas Panigari and Jayraj Pandya, mostly from local Sundarachari garu and Vivek Lal garu. I invite all of them and thanks a lot for coming to Guntur. Especially this today's program, I don't know much about the neurosciences. I am not a doctor also. What I want to tell you all is the simple things. Now neuroscience is very, very most important thing, because in this stressed life, everybody is facing this type of neuro problems, mostly anxiety, depression. These all things come to everybody's life. There are so many type of neuro problems. For Andhra Pradesh, at that time, they have done so many programs for the development of neurosciences. Especially state government and Indian Union government is also having so many programs. For with that, you people, doctors, you have to go for more researches and equipments which are needed for the better treatment. Other than that, I just want to suggest you one thing. Please take an advantage. With this neurosciences researchers, you have to add yoga. Yoga is also a better thing. For neurosciences, it's a simple treatment to combine yoga and AI, both in the further techniques and back techniques. You have to adopt both the techniques for the latest research. What I want to tell is a simple thing. Take yoga from back side and front side, you have to adopt AI also for the better research and service to the mind. That's all. Thank you.
సమాచార్ టీవీకి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.